Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I'm going to solve Deccan Herald newspaper Sudoku puzzle on February 6, 2023. Diagonal Sudoku or X Sudoku. Column I, year 216. So 216 can't come this cell. It will come in another cells. Fourth row, where you 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then third grade, 2 numbers are remaining 7 and 5. Second row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. In this diagonal and 10th row, we have 2. Column D also we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. 2 will come in another cells. We will confirm later. Then 8th row, 10th row, we have 2. Column G also we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. 10th row, 8th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then the 4 is confirmed here. 7th grade, and in this diagonal we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Column I, we have 5 and 7. So 5 and 7 can't come this cell. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. And in this diagonal, we will already have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then 9th row, only one number is remaining. 1. 1 is confirmed here. 10th row, and in this diagonal, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 will come in another cells. We will confirm later. Then 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining. 6 and 9. 8th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. Then in this diagonal, 3 numbers are remaining. 3, 4, 6. In one of the cells, we will confirm later. In this diagonal and 5th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Then in this diagonal, 2 numbers are remaining. 3 and 6. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Then in column I, 3 numbers are remaining. 3, 4, 8. 5th row, we have 4 and 8. So 4 and 8 can't come this cell. It will come in one of the cells. 7th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then column I, only one number is remaining. 3. 3 is confirmed here. 5th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 10th row, 6th row, 7th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. 7th row and 5th row, we have 8. Column B also we have 8. So it can't come these cells. The 8 is confirmed here. Column E, column G, we have 4. There also we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Column B, column D, we have 4. 4th row and third also we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. In this diagonal also we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. Then 4 is confirmed here. Column F, we have 7, 8, 3. That 3 numbers can't come the 2 cells. It will come in another 3 cells. We will confirm later. Then 8th grade, 2 numbers are remaining. 5 and 9. It will come in another cells. We will confirm later. Then column F, 2 numbers are remaining. 1 and 2. 5th grade, 1 and 6. It will come in another cells. We will confirm later. 5th grade, we will add 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column H and in this diagonal we have 3. So 3 can't come in these cells, then 3 is confirmed here. Then 8th row we have 3. So 3 can't come in these cells, then 3 is confirmed here. Then 8th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 8. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. 9th grade, we have 9. So 9 can't come in these cells, then 9 is confirmed here. Then 8th grade, only one number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. Then 10th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 5. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. 5th grade and 3rd row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Column B, column C, we have 6. And 5th row also we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Column D, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 5, 1. Second row, we have 3 and 5. So 3 and 5 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the cells. We'll, 5th row, we already have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then column D, only one number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. Then second row, 2 numbers are remaining, 8 and 9. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column G, we have 1. 4th row also we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Then second grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 5. Third row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Now 4th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 7. Column C, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. 5th row and first grade, we have 5. So 5 can't come in these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. The 9th grade, only one number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. Then column H, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. It will come in one of the cells. Column H, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 6. 7th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. In this diagonal, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 9. First grade, we will already go 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. Then 5th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. Column G, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. Column G, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column G, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then first grade, only one number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. Column B, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then column C, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 3. 7th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 9. 6th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then column J, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 7, 9. 5th row, we have 1 and 7. So 1 and 7 can't come in the cell. It will come in one of the cells. 7th row, we already have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then column J, only one number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.